Hello friends, today I am covering a small topic, audit documentation. The agenda of our video is what is audit documentation, purpose of audit documentation, form and content and extent of working paper. Working paper means it is same as audit documentation. We see ahead. Meaning audit documentation. First I understood you in simple language that audit documentation are nothing. It is working of auditor. Yes, throughout the audit procedure, auditor observe anything, its finding, how they find or how the audit procedure is performed. Everything is recorded in audit documentation. Therefore, it is called audit documentation. Means all are documented. Okay. So yeah, if we read definition, it is like audit documentation refer to the records or documentation of procedure that the auditor perform. As I tell you, the audit evidence that they obtain, and the conclusion that make by them based on the audit evidence obtained. What is means on the basis of audit documentation, the auditor make his conclusion that what is the final conclusion of throughout the through of the audit procedure. Okay. As per 230, it is covered by standards of auditing 230. Audit documentation is sometimes called audit working paper or working paper. If we say audit working paper, if we say audit working paper instead of audit documentation, there is nothing wrong with that. Okay, both are similar. So yeah, ahead, purpose of audit documentation, it provide evidence of auditor basis for a conclusion about the achievement of overall objective. As I said earlier, I underline here the main point of purpose of audit documentation. It acts as evidence. It assists the properly plan and perform, assist the engagement team member to plan and perform their audit work in the engagement. It assists the audit engagement team who are responsible. Yeah, for supervision to properly direct and supervise and review their audit work. Means how, what is meaning of this line? That it provide the responsibility, of course, and after the work it also act as a reviewer. Okay, it enable audit working paper to be accountable for their auditors. Okay. Very simple purposes means evidence, properly plan and perform. It assists the engagement team member, their responsibility, their performance, and also act as a reviewer, supervision of the work, that it should be done in proper way or not, and also accountable for their audit tasks. Okay. These are some purposes. Next, form and content and extent of audit working paper means the factor on which the working paper is depend, means on the factor on which size of working paper is dependent. Means if there are complexity in client business, we need more audit documentation. If there are very easy manner where very straight internal control already in client business, and we did not make more documentation. Like this, there are some factors: size and complexity, nature of audit procedure, identified risks. If there are a high chances of risks, then we need more audit documentation. The significance of audit evidence that had been obtained, the nature and extent of exceptions. Exceptions means, for example, if there are the many transaction of related party, then we need more observation, we need more to search, and we need more audit documentation regarding that topic. Okay, so this is the example of exceptions. So yeah, this is some factor which depend, which on which the on which auditor make audit documentation, right? Yeah, in this video we seen some small topic regarding audit documentation, and remaining topic I cover in next video. Okay, thank you guys.